We are cleaning some chairs today at our office account, and this happens to be during the lunch break. And this stain here, I'm not really sure what it is, but I wasn't 100% sure I could get it out. Now, when we're cleaning one stain on upholstery, we're going to spray down the whole chair because the cleaning kind of looks uneven. If you're just going to spot clean it, it could appear to be a water stain and it just won't look right. Or it could kind of have that bleached out look to it. So we want to try to even the appearance as much as possible to get the shade to be almost identical. And that's not really always possible, but we try to get it as close to that as possible. And we're just agitating the stain. And as I mentioned, we got the whole cushion, and this needs to be dry in about an hour. Since this is a lunch break, everybody's out, and we are cleaning these chairs. This is the worst one. And we are using a low moisture approach. There are a lot of approaches you can use to clean upholstery, but this is the low moisture approach, and this is an effective approach when you need quick dry times. And we are spraying again with an inert product. It's a high alkalinity product that goes inert when it dries. So right here we're doing the extraction process. Now there's many ways to extract. We could use a polisher, or we can use a portable extractor, but we are just using this. This works too. The chairs are kind of small. These are on wheels, so it's kind of hard to use a machine, but this will do a really good job at cleaning. Now we're going to do a post vacuum also, because there's a lot of cat hair. There is a cat here, and they hang out in this office area, and that's probably why there's so many abrasions in the cushion. And you can already see the cushion looks much better now, a lot cleaner. It actually looks great. And this is what low moisture is about. This is virtually dry, and that stain's not going to come back, and the client's going to be happy when they get back to their office.